Good writing is a clear thinking made visible, a very rightly aligned sentence for clearing such content writing rounds during our placement process. Now it becomes very much important to gather our thoughts in a given time frame because we need to write on the topic in a specific period of time. So it becomes very much difficult for us to gather all the thoughts around and put it on the paper. So we have to have a good strategy before attempting such round. So basically what we can do is divide our writing into three sections. That is the starting section, what we can call it as an introduction section. Second should be the body and third should be the conclusion. That will make your task very much easier and will help you to align your thoughts accordingly. So a good way to start such round would be through a good quote that would be relating to your topic. You need to spend more time on the body section, which is the main part and which will help you to clear such rounds, which is a game changer, we can say. And the last is a good conclusion at the end. So you need to keep something in mind, like you have to use good grammar. You don't have to make any spelling mistakes. Please check out on that. You need to use good words, a simple language. Simple language will help the recruiter or will help the judge or analyst to judge you very easily. Otherwise, what we can do is muddle up the things around and we can put it anywhere. But that will not help you anyways. So it becomes very much important to put your things aligned in a very specific time period. So the best way to clear such rounds would be a good practice. Go through the current affairs which are going on throughout the world, throughout the country, or the major problems that are existing in the society. So that could be the topic of the content that might be given to you before the round. So you have to prepare yourself before it. Talking about my experience, what I used to do was me and my colleague used to write on a topic daily in a specific time period, and then we used to mail each other, and then we used to review it and give judgment on the same, like how it is, what is the wrong part in it, what are the good things that are included in it. And another thing that you can do is consult an expert or consult a faculty that might help you to judge such rounds. So that will help you to boost up your confidence throughout the weeks. So as many as topics you will try and you will write, you will gain confidence, and a word bank would be created in your own mind, and that will not lead you to fail in such rounds. So before attempting such round, keep your mind cool, keep your thoughts aligned, and decide a strategy before attempting it. So that will make your task easy and will help you to clear such rounds. And one more thing that I would like to include is, see, it is very much difficult, or we can say it will not be easier for you to write directly. So collect your thoughts, and if you don't know anything about the topic, what you can do is write the phrases. Whatever you know about that topic, just write the phrase and then try to frame the sentences. Try to frame short sentences, because long sentences will make your ideas not that much clear, right? So it is the best way to practice more and more. And yeah, thank you so much.